Okay, so we're in room number 478 in the Four Seasons here in Jumeirah, Dubai, and we've got the partial sea view room, which they have kindly upgraded for us. So walking in, mashallah, look at the size of the room. It looks really big. Good thing I like about it is some of these hotel rooms are quite dark and they go for that dark look, but alhamdulillah these guys haven't. They've given us a fruit basket, which is quite nice. They've given us a little note on that paper there. They've given us a notepad. This has probably got some envelopes and some writing paper. Nope, that's got some contact numbers in there. There's a nice balcony which we'll look at. Nice seating area over there. Lots and lots of pillows. Let's have a quick look. Okay, so they've left our luggage over here, which I should have asked us because we've got another room as well, but it's fine. Little closet area, gym mat, that's nice. They've given us a beach bag, which is quite nice. So let's go into the washroom. Oh, look at that bathtub, really nice, really big. They've got a double sink. They've given you a dental kit, hair dryer as you'd expect. Along with the bathtub, they've got a walk-in shower, sorry. And here's the toilet. Quite nice, quite clean. Let's close that. Let's make our way. Once we do that, we can see this over here. Looks quite nice again. They've got a Lavazza coffee machine, a Smeg kettle, Lavazza pods, and the advanced of coffee tea bags. Mini fridge, quite nice if I'm honest with you. There you go, there's the envelopes I was referring to earlier on. So we're actually in July at the moment, so the weather's going to be really hot outside, so I don't know how much of the balcony we will be using, but let's go check it out if I can get it open. You can laugh, it's fine. I can. So welcome to the balcony. Very big, spacious. They've got 2 seating areas and a lounging area over there. It overlooks the pool like I mentioned earlier. Wow, look at the pool. So we're in July at the moment, so the outside area isn't that busy because it's quite hot, but you can see the pool. There's one over there, there's another one on that side over there. You can see the sea at the back. Looks really nice. But yeah, so this was one of the rooms here at the Four Seasons in Jumeirah, Dubai.